So we have this week blow football, okay? So we are going to make our own game, and first of all we need to make a football pitch. So we have got this amazing green baize which is used for pool and snooker tables, which is made here in Cam, so it's rather exciting to be using it. It would be good if you had a ruler, but I have also cut a cardboard ruler for us, and we're going to use that first. So the first things we're going to do is to just put your cardboard ruler along the edge of your football pitch, and we are going to use white chalk, and we are going to mark where we need our white line. Okay, so I'm lining that back up, and I'm going to use the edge of the chalk, and I'm going to go along my cardboard ruler to make a white line. Because I've been told that if the ball goes over this white line, you have to stop and start again, okay? And you'll go all the way around, so that we've got a nice white line all the way around. Then we have to make our halfway line. And I've thought about this, so I think if we fold our football pitch in half and line up that edge there, and then with our chalk, where the fold is, make a mark, and make a mark again, then we'll undo it, and then we'll get our cardboard ruler, line them up, and then draw all the way along. There we are, halfway line, check. We need the centre spot so that you can place your ball when you start the game. So we're folding it the long way around this time. And right there, make an extra mark there, can you see? And then open it out again, and then make your mark, and that's where your football is going to go. And we will come back to this in a minute. So now it is a time for making our goals. And we are making goals out of paper straws. And you will need 8 straws, 4 for each goal, okay? So we are going to first of all bend our straws in half. Okay, one like that. Squeeze it a bit, flatten it, and then bend it like so. Okay, first of all, do that with all 8 of them. And take 4 for one goal. First things first, squish, it's quite nice, squish the end of one of your straws. And then we're going to feed it into straw. Top of the goal post. Then, next straw, squish it again. Now, you've got 2 options. To make our netting, you can either do weaving with this paper, or if you've asked for a piece, we can stick this netting on. Okay, so you've got a glue stick. Let me show you first how to do the paper. So, take your glue stick open, take an end of your paper and just give it a little rub with the glue. And then stick it onto the top of your goalpost. There we are. And then get your glue stick and put a bit of glue on the bottom of the goalpost, back of the net. Stick it down, and then with your scissors, slip it in. And I'm going to do one more to show you. A bit of glue on the top, a bit of a gap. Stick it down. Another bit of glue on the bottom, the back of the net. Stick it down and slip it. Okay, let me show you. And you keep going all the way along, building up your goalpost net. And then when you've gone all the way to the end, you can start to weave. And this is really quite good fun. So what you will do is get a piece of your paper, strips, another bit of glue, and then we're going to start at this end here. Stick it to your goalpost. De-glue your fingers. You might want to wash them at this point. Dry your hands, and then you start going in and out of your vertical goal nets and weave that through. You see? In and out. And then we'll go all the way along until you have a nice goalpost. Okay? When you've done one, guess what? You need one on the other end of your football pitch. So you'll make another one, and hey presto, all you will then need is to get your pitch, get your goalpost, and just mark where the penalty box is, and with your paper ruler draw that line again, and then take your other goal and do the same at the other end, and then you can finally have an exciting game. You then need to pick one of the straws, and I'm going to see if I can score the ball. 3. That's it. Enjoy. Have fun. See you soon.